How you doing, guys? So today we've came to the Red Tiffen. Their food is really nice. It's on the Duke Street. You should come and try this out. This is the menu at the back. The food is really tasty, so you should come and try this. They've got online good reviews as well. I've tried this place before as well, so I'm gonna try this again. So I'm getting the doner kebab from them. The doner kebab is really nice. The doner kebab I get is the one they stir fry. They make it spicy for me because I like spicy food, so they stir fry it, make it spicy with spicy chips. Very nice. You should come and try it. I'll show you their menu as well. This is the menu if anyone's interested. Their pizzas are really good as well. They make nice pizza. This is my pizza getting made. Paji, is that my pizza? Yeah. There we go. And so this is the place. This is their number if you want to do a delivery or something. Red Tiffen is on Duke Street. Really nice food. So you should try this place as well. This is the spicy doner with spicy chips. So if you're hungry, come and try this out. Black Rooster Piri Piri. Okay, let's go try this out. Okay guys, so today we have came to the Black Rooster. We've heard that this is very tasty. It's like alternative of Nando's, and it tastes really good. So let's try it. Hope we like it, and let's see what it's like. Okay, so this is the menu of Black Rooster. If anyone's interested in looking at the prices, I've ordered the full platter. Let's see what it tastes like now. Okay, so the chicken has arrived now. This is the peri peri hot flavored chicken with peri peri chips, and we got some chicken popcorn as well. As you can see, looks really nice. Let's dig in and try it. Okay guys, so that was Black Rooster, and it was so yummy. Honestly, it was very, very yummy. I would give this 4.9 out of 5. Their hot sauce is so tasty, so I had to dig in before it gets cold. It was really tasty. You should try it. This is it behind me. Black Rooster Peri Peri, try it. Very nice. Okay, so I will try another place after this, and I will let you know what's that like. Okay, either this or that, but I would definitely recommend this. Very tasty food.